What's up, everyone? So I'm gonna feed the cats and then I'm gonna feed the emus. Kind of have some good news. I got a new iPhone, which I'm not recording on because I don't have a case for it yet. But I've been working with the same iPhone for 6 years, and so I've been really limited in the videos I can take because my battery dies after about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. No, I think about 15 minutes of recording. And so there's a lot of videos I haven't made, and a lot of times my phone cuts off and I lose the video I am recording. But I've got a new iPhone now, and I'm just waiting on a case. Got to get a good case for it. But anyway, that's pretty cool. So hopefully I'll have some better videos coming out, and it's a much improved model, of course, because this one's like 6 years old. But look, hey guys, are you hungry? Hey Smokey, are you hungry? Look at how soft he is. You can see how soft he is. You don't even have to touch him. Hey, how soft are you? You are the softest cat. You are super fluffy. Yes. And he's a nice guy. And yes, Soot Kitty is very soft too, but she's not as fluffy. Hey Soot Kitty. Hey Soot Kitty. Are you guys starving? Okay, watch out. Let me get your bowl. Or not. Just sit there. You know, Soot Kitty's not getting any. He's like, I'm not worried about her. Did you just nibble my finger? You're not starving. Just chill, man. Just chill. Here, okay, fine. You can keep it. Good grief. I'm about to take a hand off. You think I never feed these guys or something? They're so nice. They're such great cats. I really enjoy them. They were out here waiting for me this morning. Oh, it's so beautiful today. You wouldn't even know it's February. It's gotta be like 65 degrees out. What's up, guinea bird? What's up, guinea bird? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, so one of the things I'm looking forward to using the most about the new phone is it's got a much improved zoom capability on the camera. I mean, that's really why I bought it, was for the camera more than anything. And so, you know, with the critters, when they're up to something and I want to record it, sometimes in order to get close enough, it interrupts them. So hopefully now I'll be able to catch a few more interesting moments or whatever without, without interrupting the animals doing whatever it is they're doing. What's up, Rudy? How you doing, gorgeous boy? This is my favorite rooster on the sanctuary. Hey, man. Hey, Rudy. You need some fresh straw. It's kind of dirty in here, man. Let me get you some fresh straw, huh? We got high standards, don't we? The beautiful boy. Let's grab him some fresh straw before we go take care of the emus. Oh, it is so nice out here today. I think I'm going to try to find some chores outside to do and put off my inside work until another day. That's how I do that all the time, is if it's nice out, I always got a list of things I can do to keep me busy outside. Okay, well, spilling half of the hay here, half of the straw. Got a little bit of straw for Rudy. Hey, Rudy. Hey, Rudy. Come on. Gotta top off your straw here, huh? Give you some clean straw to walk around on. He'll kick that around. I guess you could probably use a little more. I'll give you a little more. Look at this mess here. We made a mess in your food. What are we gonna do with you, man? Hold on, I'm gonna get you a little bit more. I misjudged that. Get him a little bit more. You chowing down, guinea bird? Huh? Pretty sure that's marmalade. Yeah, that's marmalade. Hey, marmalade. How you doing, baby? This is a really nice guinea bird. Are you a nice guy? He's like, yes, I am a nice guy. Now let me eat. That's Anthony right there. What's up, Anthony? Anthony's pretty cool too. He's a little crazy, but he's not aggressive. You see how his little cheeks there are flared out? That's one way you can tell. The males have bigger cheek flaps. I don't know what they're called. I call them cheek flaps. Okay, here's a little bit more. He'll kick that around. Let me get that out there. Rudy, You're so beautiful. You're such a gorgeous boy. Look at how handsome. Look at how handsome he is. I love that bird. He's so nice. Aren't you, Rudy? Yeah, you're a nice guy. He's a nice guy. Okay, let's get some emu food. When I bought this trailer, I had the option to get the taller model that was like 6 inches taller, and I didn't. I wish I had. I didn't think I was gonna need it. But I've hit my head on that daggone thing right there some more times than I can count. Oh look, here's Friendly. Hey Friendly, how you doing, boy? How you doing? Oh, you're so handsome. You're such a handsome rooster. Yes, beautiful. He's a gorgeous bird. I see you, gooses. Hold on. I wish I could flip this around. I'll stop the video and flip it around. Hey, gooses. How are you? How are you doing? You guys all look so clean. Well, except that guy right there. Who is that? That's Buddy. Oh, no, that's not. That's Tori. Well, Elizabeth's kind of messy too, but the rest of them are clean. You ladies need to go get in the bath. You're like, we're eating. All right, now let's go feed the emus. This is why it takes me so long to do everything, because I stop and say hi to everybody. Okay, oh, it's so nice out here. So this is a project for this spring. I'm gonna take the chainsaw and try to clean all that up, all this whole area up. That's left over from our first annual volunteer day, where my brother-in-law came over and helped me out and took down a whole bunch of trees. And he was here, actually I think he was here for like 2 days. It was over the weekend. I don't know, but he helped a lot and got a bunch of trees that were driving me crazy down. They were dead trees, they made me nervous. But now I need to cut them into more manageable sizes and get them out of there, because I want to run a fence along where that is up to the barn. There used to be a fence there. I want to put a fence back there so we can move the emus up here. A long hike down to the emu enclosure. Let's see where are the girls. Oh, she's up there. That's probably Corona. Hey lady. Oh, I cannot wait to check out the zoom on the new phone, because it's pretty solid on this phone. And this is an iPhone 8. I thought I bought these in 2019, but I actually bought them in 2017. I had to look it up. I bet you Sam's sitting on an egg. Anyway, it's so warm, I'd be surprised if there's any food left in there, except for Sam sitting on an egg, so maybe not. Maybe there is a bunch of food in there. We're gonna find out. See, this is the next thing. Like, there's a big, that big branch right there is dead. Makes me nervous. The whole thing is toast. I mean, the rest of the tree looks pretty good, but my brother-in-law was pointing out that it is seeping sap or something, I don't know, which is a sign it's on its way out. But when I get the new fencing up closer to the barn, this whole area here is gonna get shut down. I'm not gonna use it for animals anymore. Just too far away from everything I'm doing. Okay, so they have been eating. They've got a bunch of food in here, but like, this is a winter's day's worth of food, maybe even 2 days, but as soon as it warms up like it is today, they'll really start eating a lot more. I don't want them to run out, so make sure it's good and full for them. I feed the emus free choice. They can eat as much as they want. Anyway, let's go see what Sam's up to. She's probably sitting on an egg. Her cave. Hey Sam. Hey lady. What's going on, lady? Are you sitting on an egg in there? You got an egg? Huh? See if I can figure out how to set this up. So y'all can see what's up. That's pretty good. Maybe a little bit. Hey, lady. How are you? How are you? Hmm? How are you? Great big giant bird. Great big giant bird. Hmm? Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Come on. Oh, you're heavy. You're heavy. Oh my goodness, look at that. Beautiful. That is a gorgeous egg. Thank you, lady. Check that out. Isn't that something? You imagine getting these every couple of days, like every 3 or 4 days I get one of those. Here. Could probably turn this way. There we go. Now y'all can see. Hey, Sammy. Hey, girl. I kind of feel like a heel taking her eggs, but if I don't take them, she'll sit forever. She won't get up, she won't eat, she won't drink. She'll get sick. Because they're not fertile, the eggs are not fertile, so they'll never amount to anything no matter what we do. Really, it's the male emus that sit on the eggs, so it's kind of strange behavior for Sam to even be interested in sitting on the eggs. But she's always done that. As long as I can remember, she kind of collects them up. She's so soft. She's very soft. They have very neat feathers. Like, they're not rigid like a goose feather or a chicken feather or something like that. You can brush them in the opposite direction, and it's perfectly fine for the emu. It's almost more like fur. And their feathers, their coat of feathers is extra thick. Each quill actually has like 2 feathers that come out of it, which makes them have a very thick coat of feathers. Makes them very suitable for cold temperatures, which is funny because they're native to Australia. But they are cold hardy down into the teens, mid-teens. And they're very stubborn. They don't like to go into their enclosure, which is kind of funny why Sam is spending so much time in here, but that's because she's nesting. I know. Hey, what's up? You want to look at the people? Come here, let's see if I can get a better shot. Oh, my knees. What's going on, baby? What's going on, Sammy? Such a precious lady. Yes. You're so precious. Isn't she beautiful? Look at that kind face. Look at that kind face. He's so pretty. She's about 19 years old. And I've had her every day of her life ever since the day she hatched. I think this, I'm trying to think back, but I'm pretty sure these are the longest animals that I have, that I've ever had. I mean, Pumbaa, that I currently have, that I've had. You know what I mean? Cody's almost 30. She's about a tie. Because I adopted her when she was 9. She's 29 now. So I guess maybe Cody and Beauregard have had a little bit longer than Sam. Those are cockatoos. Almost looks like she's smiling. She loves attention. She loves to have her head rubbed. Such a beautiful girl, Sam. Oh, but my knees are killing me, so I think our visit is over, sweetie. I think our visit is over. So beautiful. She can see herself in the camera. She's looking too. You see that beautiful girl? You see her? All right, I gotta get out of here. And if I can at this point. Oh, my knees. I need a taller emu enclosure. That's perfect for them. No wasted space for heat to escape. I'll walk up and see if we can get some attention out of Corona, but she's probably not gonna want anything to do with us. Let's see what's up. She's up at the corner where the garden is. She's probably wishing she could get like some plantain. I always feed her plantain or chickweed up there. And then during the summer season, she gets cherry tomatoes. Hey, Corona. Hey, beautiful. How are you? How are you, lady? She's like, oh no, he's got me cornered. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. She's like, oh, he's got me cornered. Hey, beautiful. She's a nice bird, but she doesn't like to be handled as much as Sam. Yes, I know. I'm messing with you. Am I messing with you? Okay, you can go. I won't hold you up. She's like, okay, I will go.